Hello, today I will show you an example to fix your broken down machine with your 3D printers. This is my old fence. This old fence used almost 20 years ago. When I was young, my family brought this for us, and it worked over 20 years. And then, but today, when it's falling down, the motor bracket is broken. As you see here, this ABS practice was olden, so it's very straight. It's very easy to break down. When come to this, as you see this sticker is falling apart from the fence. How we can fix this one? I use the 3D printers to print the first I design the model and then print it out for this part. As you see here, you just need to, it can just as a holder, as you see here, it just as a holder to let the broken parts connect to the basement. And with this, we can mount the motor back to the fence. So with the 3D printers, I also, before, this fence is also broken. I changed this fence. When come into install it onto the motor, you can find that it cannot fix out, because the screw can make the fence fasten to the motors. So with the 3D printers, we can also use this printing out this model to make the fence with the